Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Alright, y'all, it is old school soul food deal of the week. And I got an awesome deal, or what I say, clarified deals this week. This deal here I'm about to show y'all is an everlasting deal. This is a company reached out to me about 3 months ago. And we've been kind of going back and forth and, you know, email, and they sent me a product out that I really want to try out, this ice cream maker here, but that's not the real positive about this company. Of course, I'm gonna open this up in just a second, but this company, international company here in the United States, and they sell everything including kitchen products. What's such an advantage with Vivo? It's Vivo, and you can see on the thing. It's Vivohome.com. That's the name of their company. Vivohome. That's the name of the company. But they have all kinds of products. They have products, of course, for kitchen. That's why they reached out to me. But they have gardening, sports, even home things like for your living room, their bathroom items. You go to the, I'm gonna put everything in a link of the video, y'all. I'm gonna put everything in the, I'm gonna put all the links in the description of the video. The Facebook, Instagram, everything in there where you can go. But if you, anything you order off their website, you get 12% off forever. We just went back and forth. This product discount code that I'm giving you, it's gonna be very simple to remember. It's 12% off on anything you buy on this website. Not only this ice cream maker that I'm about to show you, it's 12% off. Discount code is old school. That's it. Just type in old school in the discount code, the product code box when you check out, and you get 12% off anything you buy. Now this thing is kind of pricey here that they sent me out. This ice cream maker, if you were to buy it, it costs about $200. With the discount, it costs about $180 or whatever. But one thing I like about this, you know, I like old school ice cream with the rock salt and all that. But this item, I love soft serve ice cream. You know, I love Dairy Queen. I'm a sucker for Dairy Queen. And this one I'm gonna like. I'm gonna do a couple of videos on these after Christmas, probably be around Christmas time, or maybe January, maybe before then I get to it, to show you how awesome these is. I've used these before, and it's an awesome product. And they make awesome soft serve ice cream, some of the best. And you can make all different kind of flavors. So let me unbox this thing here for y'all, so y'all will see what we got in here. Like I said, I've been sitting on this thing for about a month. Like I said, I try to do old school deals of the week, and the company's been kind of patient with me because I've had to get some other ones out of the way, companies that reached out to me. And if any company's watching this, I don't do commercials into my videos. I personally want to do everything. Some companies try to reach out to me and let me input their commercials in there. I won't do that. Number one, I want to say what I want to say, how I want to say it. I don't want a video just pop up. I don't want that. So some companies, they don't agree with that. They can just move on. So anyway, let's get this thing hold on just a second, y'all. Just a second. I don't want to act right, huh? I go from the bottom to the top here. There we go. There we go here. They're open. Give me 1 second, y'all. Box don't want to come out of here. This. There we go. Now, have to get it out of the big box to get to the little box here. Okay. Now I'm gonna open this up. I guess I could have had it already out, so you wouldn't have to keep watching me bore in here to get this box open. But it's a real thing here, y'all. I'll use my knife here. And this thing is real heavy duty. Real heavy duty ice cream maker, y'all. Okay, there we go. Slide this out on the counter here. Slide it out on the counter. There we go. That was easy, huh? Okay. This off in here. Okay, hold up. Where's my knife here? Got my knife here and I ain't even using it. Tape out around. And another thing, y'all. When you order it, they ship within 24 hours. As soon as your payment go through, it's shipped out. And sometimes, depending on where you stay, you get the product within a couple of days. Okay. This over here. I got my manual here. This is my manual here. This is everything. Matter of fact, this is pretty awesome. This is all the things that they sell kitchen-wise. Now, they got other things outside the kitchen that they sell. Let me show you some examples in there. They got meat grinders, meat slicers. They got, let's see, they got ice cube makers, ice crusher. They got mixers. They got all kinds of stuff. You go to the website, they got deep fryers. Look at that. Electric grill. Somebody asked me about an electric plate one day on my channel. And they got these electric plates, air fryers they have, buffet servers. They got dehydrators, which I love. If people into the dehydrated food, I really love. They got the hand juicers. They got the electric juicers. And then, like I say, they got other stuff other than for your home, for your kitchen. Okay, this, like I say, this is a nice piece of equipment, y'all. Nice piece of equipment. It's like a mini ice cream maker. See that? Put it on there. I cannot wait to show y'all this machine. Like I say, this machine is pretty costly. It's a couple of $100 for this thing, but it's worth every penny. And I mean, it serves the best soft shell. We have one in my job, matter of fact, where I work. And then I have used some throughout the years, and it's just an awesome product. It got this protective tape on here. Stainless steel. Stainless here. Over here. Look at that. Nice product right here. Wait, what's the best way to show you? Probably this way, huh? Got the plug up under here. I'm going to take this off of here. I have to be very careful when I'm using the knife to cut the plug off. Let me tell y'all a story what happened to me one day. I was doing that like I did just now to take the plug off. And guess what? You already know. I cut right through the plug. I didn't do that today. I'm just saying. I've done that before. But anyway, like I say, Vivohome. That's the name of the website. Everything will be in the description of the video. Like I said, I will be doing a video on this machine. It's awesome to make ice cream. It's a little pricey. Some people might can't afford it, but there's a lot of other things on there that's affordable that you might want to use. And like I say, this company has been gracious to me to give me a discount code that never expires. It's gonna always be old school. Anything you buy on that website, OLDSCHOOL, old school. So yeah. But anyway, this is a little short video I just wanted to share with y'all. Old school soul food deal of the week. I think this is the best deal I've did so far. Not only to promote the product, but to promote all the products that can relate my product code to. When companies reach out to me, like I tell them, I'm very, very keen on product codes, getting a discount, and something that I can use in the kitchen. It's very important to me to do that. So, anyway, let me close this video out. And everything will be in the description of the video again, y'all. Everything, their Facebook, the Instagram, they got a website, even the link to Amazon, everything. I'm trying to make everything very simple. And like I say, everything, they ship out within 24 hours. As soon as you make the payment, 24 hours, they ship it out. You'll get it within 2 to 4 days. Sometimes probably sooner, depending on where you live. So, and also I was checking out the website. If you order 2 items, you get even a bigger discount or something. Just go on the website and check it out. So anyway, let let me close this video. There will be no Friday night fish, Friday morning fish of the week. There will be no Saturday morning, Friday night cake of the week or pie of the week this week. And there will be no Sunday dinner segments. Those 3 videos will not upload this week because I'm concentrating on my meet and greet coming up in KATY this weekend, the 30th. So I gotta do all my work and effort to make that thing happen and make it nice. So the next 3 days, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, there won't be no video. There will be one Sunday. Let me go back. There will be one Sunday. It will be a video of the meet and greet for Saturday. That'll upload Sunday, sometime Sunday, depending on how quick I can get it edited and stuff like that. But I will do a video of my meet and greet, what I'm doing, what I'm making and stuff like that, the one in KATY. And then Monday, I'll do a motivational menu ideas for Monday. So just giving y'all a heads up the next few days what's going to happen. If you don't see me do a video Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you'll know why. So that close this video out. Like I close every video, please comment, please share, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2021, help somebody, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a happy, blessed weekend. If you're coming out to the meet and greet in KATY, I'll be happy to see y'all. Just come and say hi for, 10, 15 minutes. I'll have a little pick-up foods and dessert for y'all. Nothing, no big, heavy buffet, but a little something you can sample along the way. So I appreciate it that I can see y'all. So anyway, until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.